everyone, welcome to my presentation. Today I will be explaining the difference between float and double in Java. Both of these are used to represent decimal numbers, but they differ in precision, size and where they are commonly used. In Java, when we want to store numbers that have a decimal points like 3.14 or 2.718, we use float or double. They both can store decimal numbers, but float is smaller and double is larger in terms of memory and accuracy. Let's start with float. Float takes 32-bit of memory. It is called single precision, meaning it can accurately store about 7 decimal digits. It ranges from 1.4e minus 45 to 3.4e 38. Now what does this range mean? 1.4e minus 45 means 1.4 times the 10 raised to minus 45, which is very small number, close to 0. And 3.4e 38 means 3.4 times the 10 raised to 38, which is a 3.4 followed by 38 zeros, a very large number. So float can handle both very tiny numbers and very huge numbers, but only with about 7 digits of accuracy. Now let's talk about double. Double takes 64-bit of memory. It is called double precision, meaning it can store about 10 decimal digits accurately. Its range is from 4.9e minus 324 to 1.8e 302. Again, in a simple words, 4.9e minus 324 means 4.9 times the 10 raised to minus 324, which is unimaginably close to 0, and 1.8e 308 means 1.8 times the 10 raised to 308, which is number with 300 zeros, extremely large. So double can represent much smaller and much bigger numbers compared to float and with much more precisions. Here is a simple Java example. Float my float is equal to 0.1234567f and double my double equal to 0.12345678901234566. Suppose we print. When we run this, the float only keeps about 7 digits correctly. The double prints more digits because it has a higher precision. This shows us the difference in accuracy. If we compare, float is 32-bit, it stores 7 digits, smaller range, less precisely. Double is 64-bit, stores 16 digits and range is larger, more precision. So in real use cases, float is used when memory is important, like in graphics or mobile devices. Double is used in scientific, financial or mathematical application where accuracy is critical. To conclude, float and double are both for decimal numbers. Float is lighter and faster but less accurate, while double is bigger and more precise. Always choose based on your program's needs. For general calculation, double is preferred. Thank you. If you have any question, you can comment.